The flood situation due to the overflowing Dhanua river affected several areas in Nimapada and Gop blocks of Odisha's Puri district. Although the river's water level receded after 2 days, the impact of the flooding is still being felt across the affected villages. Farmland suffers extensive damage. While the water level in the river gradually declined, farmers continued to face the aftermath of the flood, which left agricultural fields damaged and disrupted daily life. A farmer said that the area remained inundated for the past 4 days and flood water was gradually receding.
बर्तमान पानी बुड़ी के छाड़ी नहीं पूरा कंपनी 4 दिन है बुड़ी ली आउ कौन आगू हम धान बिहन आउ कि ना जदि सरकार आउ कि बिहन जोग्या तो हाँ तली फली पड़ो कि जहाँ हम पानी छाड़नी आउ कई दिन छाड़ से ठीक ना.
Villagers seek relief. Farmers said that the situation in the village remained challenging. They further urged the authorities to provide relief and extend support to those affected by the floods.